Hello guys, my name is Mohammad Junaid Kamal and today I will show you some Rubik's cubes. So let's let's start with this Rubik's cube. Actually this Rubik's cube is kinda broken, so and it is not smooth. Look, this is not smooth. So I can solve it. So let's keep this in the side. So now we show you this. This is a 3 by 3 Rubik's cube and this was also a 3 by 3 Rubik's cube, and this Rubik's cube has black spots in the middle and it is very smooth. It is very smooth. It will be a little harder, I think, if you buy in the first time. So now let's skip it and start with this. So this is also a 3 by 3 Rubik's cube, but this is a normal. This is also smooth, not that much, but smooth. So this is also not broken. This was also not broken. And it is also kinda hard. Look, with my normal finger I can move that much, but in this one with a normal finger I can move easily, but not in this one. So let's keep this and move with the next one. Next one is the 4 by 4 Rubik's cube. I have done this like a 2 by 2 Rubik's cube, fake 2 by 2 Rubik's cube, so that it will be easy to solve. So this is also 4 sides and this was 3 sides. Look, I am showing you the difference. This is bigger and this is not bigger. This has 3 sides. 3 by 3 means 3 sides and 4 by 4 means 4 sides. So it is also very smooth. It is very much smooth. So it is easy to move, and with my normal finger also I can move. So let's keep this and move with the next one. The next one is the cylinder Rubik's cube. Cylinder. So it it is like mirror cube. It is looking different of the normal Rubik's cube. This is looking different, but this is also a 3 by 3 Rubik's cube, guys. But this is cylinder Rubik's cube. So the cylinder Rubik's cube is, I think, hard to solve. So I don't know. Now it is very smooth also. I can move with one finger. So now let's keep it and move with the next one. The next one is the cylinder Rubik's cube. No, not the cylinder. It is bubble. Yes, it is like normal 3 by 3 Rubik's cube. You see normal 3 by 3, 3 sides, 3 bubbles, and it is also very smooth, and it gives a little bit sound because this is a bubble cube. Let's keep it and move with the next Rubik's cube. So the next Rubik's cube is the 2 by 2. It is also very smooth. The 2 by 2 is very much soft Rubik's cube. So, and it is also smooth. Like the others, it is also smooth. Now, the next is the pyramid. Guys, in the desert you see this type of some triangle, but this is 3D triangle. So this is the pyramid. This is called a pyramid. Okay. In desert there are a lot of pyramids. So this is the pyramid cube. This is, I don't know which side. I think it is the 3 by 3 pyramid. So And this is also smooth and a little bit easy to solve. So the next is the mirror cube. See, this is like the cylinder cube I showed. This is also looking different and this is also looking different. But when you solve this Rubik's cube, then it will be a normal flat like this, not like this if you solve. So this is also smooth and, and hard to solve. So the next is the tiny 3 by 3 Rubik's cube, guys. This is very tiny and it is a little bit hard, but a little bit smooth and little bit hard. This mini Rubik's cube came from this Rubik's cube, this big Rubik's cube and this mini Rubik's cubes. All are good qualities and these Rubik's cubes, not total, each Rubik's cube cost near 300 rupees. And this is very high quality also. And if someone puzzles this, solves this, then their brain will be good. Guys, if anyone solves this, then their mind will be fresh. And each Rubik's cube costs 300 rupees, but except this one, because this one is a little bit higher price, and this is very nice Rubik's cubes to solve, very nice, and we need to, if anyone has like this, you should solve this, not keep this, because this is a very good thing to solve, very good toys, whatever. And now I show you this. This is also little bit price, I think. And this is not a Rubik's cube, but this is also like the Rubik's cube. It also keeps the mind fresh of people. It is also like the Rubik's cubes. Guys, bye. See you in the next video. Like and subscribe for more toys and mind freshing things.